Yay! Helen's here!
Hi!
She decided to join us for some ice skating tonight.
I'm
By
eating
Celia.
amazing food cooked, home cooked by Grandma.
Oh yeah, grandma's food. Helen's here for dinner as well. Yay! 那我要糖。
Both of them have to be but they just, I feel like they're so precious, you know?
Yeah. Like
Wow,
communicating in Taiwanese.
搞雜情
After skating, dessert time. Wasabi flavor. Alright, room tour for Helen. VIP tour. Just by yourself first time. You get the exclusive tour of my. This is the low of the gaming room. So this is the board game table. We have 2 TV for 2 simultaneous gaming. We have 2 Nintendo Switch and other video games. And then I have all the toys over there, all the comic book, all the movies. It's like over.
There's an earthquake.
Shh, don't jinx.
Everything is gonna fall.
There's over 300 movies now, I think. Blu-ray movies. And that's a projector, so it's the movie theaters here. Yeah.
Oh, is this a
Yeah. I have every single Marvel movie you
I
can
have
think
actually not watched one.
of. All of them.
No, I lied. I watched one.
Captain Rick.
And I only remember this because it was
Room. This
Oh
is
my god.
the board game room.
Wow. You have so many games.
Yeah, over hundreds of
How do you
them.
know how to play them?
I actually forgot most of them. No, I forgot. I played all of them before, but it's been a while. A lot of them I have to reread the rule books. But all the puzzle that hasn't finished on the top, and then yeah, some Lego puzzle. Yeah. Alexa, turn on Batcave. Ta-da! This is my room.
This is your cave?
Yeah,
Your
man cave.
cave.
This is my man cave.
Oh my god.
All the Japanese stuff up there, all the airplanes over there, all the coin collection, all the quarter collection, all the Rubik's Cube collection,
Oh my gosh, you literally collect everything.
all the Mardi
in
Gras
the world.
collection, and then here's all the Mardi Gras beads I collected from New Orleans. All the way over there. It's all the way there.
Did
It's
you
a lot.
wear them all?
Yeah, when I got it.
No.
It's 4 years. It's 4-year collection now.
You
Yeah.
are a very fascinating person.
A lot of different train collection, all the souvenirs for all the travel. I collect a lot of toy cars, so all the special toy cars. And here down here, like hundreds of all the Hot Wheel cars I collect. Yep. Helen playing with cats.
You're so sneaky.
You know, they'll refuse to play.
No, she was playing with it earlier.
Who won? He won.
No.
No.
Pieces of evidence were collected from the crime scene at the Hewitt residence.
They're both not playing.
None of the evidence is more compelling.
Alright, let's watch movie. Movie time. Watching scary movie.
What did you pick?
Texas Chainsaw. She gave me a choice of Texas versus Leatherface. So I picked the scary one. Scariest movie in years. Ready to be scared. Oh, watching movie with us. Jason's home theater.
It is all the more tragic that they were young.
Do you need it?
But had they lived very, very long lives they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see.